Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Your profile picture is often the first thing people notice, so keeping it fresh and updated helps make a great impression. First of all, open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang game on your device and make sure you are inside the main lobby screen. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your current profile picture or avatar. This will take you to your profile section. Tap on your profile picture once again and then click on Change Avatar at the top right corner. Now from the avatar menu, you can go ahead and select a picture you want to change to. If you have connected your account with Facebook, you can also go ahead and choose your Facebook's profile picture right away. But if you haven't done that, you can choose from the available avatars displayed in the screen. After choosing an avatar, click on Replace. And there you have it. That is how you can easily change your profile picture or avatar in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Your profile now has a fresh look. Keeping your profile picture updated helps you stay recognizable and present your best self online. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.